Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I'm Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, I'm Nexo. I'm ready to listen, repeat, and improve my English sounds.
First, let me show you the lesson structure. In the first part of the lesson, we will practice words with the target sound. In the second part, we will practice phrases with short, natural sentences. Listen carefully and repeat slowly at first.
Slow first, then faster. I can do that.
Great attitude, Nexo. Let's start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Cat. Cat.
Hat. Hat.
Bag. Bag. Map. Map. Apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. Bat. Bat. Cap. Cap. Pan. Pan. Fan. Fan. Lamp. Lamp. Hand. Hand. Sand. Sand. Flag. Flag. Rabbit. Rabbit. Mask. Mask. Sandwich. Sandwich. Camera. Camera. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. Now we will practice phrases. Listening to as much English as you can is very important.
Nice. So now I should listen carefully to each sentence.
Exactly. In this section, the goal is to listen carefully to the sentences and get used to the sounds.
Cat. Cat. The cat sleeps here. The cat sleeps here.
Hat. Hat.
My hat is red. My hat is red. Bag. Bag. The bag is blue. The bag is blue. Map. Map. I see a map. I see a map. Apple. Apple. The apple is green. The apple is green. Ant. Ant. An ant walks slowly. An ant walks slowly. bat, bat. The bat flies at night. The bat flies at night. Cap, cap. This cap is black. This cap is black. Pan, pan. The pan is hot. The pan is hot. Fan, fan. The fan is on. The fan is on. Lamp, lamp. The lamp is bright. The lamp is bright. Hand, hand. My hand is clean. My hand is clean. Sand, sand. The sand is warm. The sand is warm. Flag, flag. The flag is big. The flag is big. Rabbit, rabbit. The rabbit jumps. The rabbit jumps. Mask, mask. The mask is white. The mask is white. Sandwich, sandwich. The sandwich is big. The sandwich is big. Camera, camera. My camera is small. My camera is small.
Excellent work. You and Nexo finished this pronunciation class.
Yes, my mouth got a workout, and my English sounds better.
Keep practicing, and see you in the next class.